very bad sway bar bushings. I'm gonna take out the old sway bar bushings here. Before installing the new sway bar bushings, make sure you lubricate all the areas where the bushings are gonna stay, including the bracket here. Let's lubricate the new sway bar bushings before installing them. Place the bushing in the sway bar. Put the sway bar in place. Next, let's put the bracket here. And let's put the bolts. And I'm gonna torque these bolts at 14 foot-pounds since this is a Toyota Camry with a 2.4 liter engine, but it will apply for so many other Toyotas, Lexus, Scion, and there should be no more clunking noises. Thanks for watching this video and God bless you all.